like this tune. Someone requested it quite a while back. I've never heard it. I don't think so anyway. But the bass line's definitely Last Night a DJ Shaved My Wife. I recognise that straight away. Now the left hand is only 4 notes. The right hand, if you listen to it on the tune, is a full shaped chord, really fast. It's just too hard, I can't play it at that speed. So I just use the last couple of fingers on my right hand to get the same effect. If you look at my right hand, the only notes I'm changing are these. This is what it sounds like with the backing track. It's fast. Look at it.